Okay, in this video we're going to look at this is like an application of the Pythagorean theorem, where in the previous video we looked at a situation where you had a right angle triangle, and if we just imagine this is a right angle triangle, where we were looking for side C based on the information of the lengths of the two short sides A and B, and we know that C squared equals A squared plus B squared. But what happens if we have a different situation? What happens is where if we're given the length of side C and say the length of side A, what happens if we're looking for side B? So the best way of going through this is to use an example. So here's my right angle triangle. Sorry, it's a bit wonky. And let's say that I know that the hypotenuse, which is side C, let's say that it's 13 centimeters in length. And let's say that one of the short sides, we'll say A for example, let's say that's 5 centimeters in length. Let's say we're looking for B, in this case here. Now we'll notice here that B is one of the short sides. And so we've got to rearrange the equation, because what we've essentially got, if we substitute these values in, we end up with 13 squared is equal to 5 squared plus B squared. Now this is to write it out a little bit differently, because we like everything to be in terms of B, or in terms of whatever the side of the triangle that we're trying to calculate. And so the easiest way of thinking of it is that if you're looking for one of the short sides, so you've got the hypotenuse on one of the short sides, then you need to use the minus form of the equation, which in this case here would be 13 squared minus 5 squared. So if we look up here at the other equation up here, we've got the plus version. And the plus version here, which is this one here, is when you're looking for the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, so when you're looking for the length of the hypotenuse, you use the plus version. When you are looking for the length of a short side, you use the minus version. Okay, so B would therefore equal the square root of 13 squared, which is 169. Whoops, 169 minus 25. Okay, I'll just put those in brackets. So therefore B is equal to the square root of 144, in which case B would equal 12 centimeters in this case. So the key point to remember here is that if you have got both the lengths of the short sides and you're looking for the long side there, or the hypotenuse, you use the plus version of the Pythagorean theorem. If you've got the length of the hypotenuse and of one of the short sides, and you're looking for the length of the other short side, then you're going to use the minus form of the theorem of Pythagoras.